Hi, in this video we will have a look on the Shopware number ranges. So number ranges, or the setting from the number ranges, affect everything which has an ongoing or incremental number to it. So these are like the orders and the documents like invoices, for example. You can find it on the settings in the shop category under number ranges. Here you can see the standard number ranges which come with every Shopware installation, like a delivery note, cancellation note, credit notes, and all these documents, but also customers, products, and orders. So every entity in your shop which has an ongoing number and ID bound to it. And let's have a look on the product number range, for example. You can already see the warning label that the number range for the type product is global. So if you change something in here, it will affect all sales channel because there is only one number range for the products. But as in every number range, we have a name and a description. That's for internal use. That's just for your selection. And we have the number range itself. So the numbers contain or exist from three different parts. It's the prefix, the start number, so the number itself, and the suffix. So if you want a special prefix from your company, like SW is for Shopware, you can do that here. And you can select or configure the start number where this number range should start from. If you want, you can enter a suffix, which will be at the end of this number. You also have an advanced mode. If you want to, you can activate that. You can see the info on this info box, how you can configure this advanced pattern, and then you can create your own pattern. Below that you can see the current number, and that's just the number without pre and suffix, and a preview how it will look with prefix and suffix. We also have a tab assignment, but as we had in the warning box, we cannot create different number ranges for products, so we have no assignment option on the product tab. Another great example which we could have a look in is invoices for documents. You can see the same configuration settings as for the orders too, but we do not have a prefix and a suffix in the standard, so it's only the number at the moment. You can also set a custom number if you want to. And here we have a different warning. So right now we do not have different number ranges for invoices, so we do not have anything to choose. But if you are dealing with many sales channels, it's probably easier to create a few different number ranges for the invoices and assign them to it. So you have an individual prefix for each sales channel, for example, and that's a bit easier to manage all the invoices from the different sales channels.